Hey, sixth grade, our next few assignments, workbook 116, 128, and 134 are lots of review, okay, adding and subtracting numbers, multiplying and dividing numbers. I just wanted to give you a quick review on decimals, okay? So if we have 70 minus 1, the reason it's important to line up your decimals is because you're putting the place values together, right? So 1, or 1 whole, does not have the same value as the 7 does in 70, right? Because we know that when we take 1 away from 70, our answer is not going to be 60, right? That would be taking away 10, okay? So the mistake here would have been that 1 should be over in the 1's place, okay? So make sure you line up those decimals. That's why that is so important. Okay, when you're multiplying decimals, I've told you guys this, so you know this, but I really like to think about decimals as money because that's a real life decimal usage for me, right? So multiply just like normal. So 2 times nothing is 0, 0 again, and a 6. Well, if you have $3 and you double it, you know that it's not sensible for 600 to be an answer, right? Nor is 60. If you have $3 and you double it, $60 is not what you have now, right? You have $6. So just as a quick like, hey, if I double my $3, how much money do I have? You know that it's $6, and here's why. You multiplied just like normal, and you have 2 behind the decimal in your problem, so you need to have 2 behind the decimal in your answer. Okay, and of course, as you know, there are different ways to do this. I just chose the simplest way to do this, okay, in a super simple problem, just to reiterate to you, hey, that's why we have to do this, okay? So here, if I had $8.40 and I'm splitting it into groups of 4, okay, so let's say you had a lemonade stand, 4 friends got together, you earned $8.40, you're gonna split it evenly amongst the 4 of you. 4 goes into 8 twice, and you get 8 exactly. 4 goes into itself once. Well, look at what happens when there's no decimal. If there's no decimal, we assume it's behind the 1, right? And it wouldn't be sensible for $8 split it 4 ways for everyone to get $21, nor would it make sense for everyone, so that decimal doesn't go there, right? Nor would it make sense for everyone to get 21 cents. Okay, because hey, there's $8, split it by the 4 friends, you know you're each going to get about $2. So your decimal is here, you plunk it straight up, and we're talking about lemonade money, so that's technically how we would write that answer, but I don't think they give you any money problems here. So you leave your decimal in your dividend, wherever it is, okay, and you just plunk it straight up. That's how you do that. However, I will show you real fast here. If we have, like, oopsie, I don't know, 17 divided by 3/10, you cannot have a decimal in your divisor or it won't work, okay? This one has to be a whole number. This one does not in the box here, your dividend. So that was 17 whole. The decimal's behind the 17, even though it's not showing. I shifted it back 1 spot. There was nothing back there, so now that 0 is showing. Okay, now you could divide. Oh, here we go. Whew, I ran out of page. 3 goes into 17 5 times. We get 15. Okay, we have 2 left. Pull down that 0. 3 goes into 26 times. We get 18. Oh, we've got some repeating going on. We have 2 left. There's a 0 here, even though it's not showing. Pull it down. 3 goes into 26 times. Okay, here's my decimal. I plunk it straight up. So if we're going to the nearest whole number, it would be 57, because that 6 would bump that up to a 7. Okay. Or to the nearest 10th, 56 6/10, or since it's going to be a repeating 6, you could say 7/10 there. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Just a quick little review for you. Thank you for hanging in there with my computer number writing skills, because wow, it gets a little crazy, but you guys know that I can actually write nicely, so whew, there's that. Anyway, keep plugging along and doing your best. I'm so proud of you.